Alright guys, today I'm just going to give you a quick tip. This is Mercedes C300. So when you come under the car, and then you can remove this kind of like it's a holding thing holding the engine, the transmission, and the exhaust. The exhaust, you take them two. One is right there. One is just on top right there. Another one is you can see from here, it's all the way in there. They are 13 millimeter. You take them out, you disconnect the oxygen sensor right there. Take these two again, take them out, and then you open again the exhaust two. There are two balls, two right here. You disconnect the connectors of the oxygen sensor from here, and then you come back right here, you disconnect the exhaust from here. That's when guys, you can remove the this exhaust right here. Then once you take it out, you will have access. Alright guys, so I got the exhaust out of the way, so you just take them out from here, and then so you have a nice view right here. You can see the you can see right there, you can see the engine mount. You have full access to it. So here also we have access for the engine mount. It should be just right up there. It should be easy to change it up. Okay, well guys, to remove the motor mounts for the for the engine, we have this cover right here guys. It covers the mount. So there's one E10. That was an E10. It's an E10 ball. One is right here, one is on the other side, so you have to take it out from the top. Then they same to this side too. This one here, one on the top. So guys, let's go up to the top and then do the rest. So right here guys, this is the top side of the engine. So you can see the E10 is right down there. This is the passenger side. And when you come to the driver's side, still the E10 is right in there. So you take the E10 and then you open the engine both side, front side and the other side right there. Alright guys, so you move out this cover so that be able to access where the ball is. The ball is right over there. And once they're out of the way guys, you'll be able to do so you take these covers out of the way so that you can access the number 16 up there. Okay guys, so this is the 4MATIC. It has the axle which goes through the engine, so we'll have to remove this. So you have to remove the center bolt which connects to the axle, and then you have to get the axle out of the way so that it gives the space to lift it up later on, you know. So you do the same guys on this side. So you push that, you open the struts, you open this to give us access to get this out. So guys, once this is out, then we can just lift the engine up, so we have enough space to pull out the mounts from the back or from whichever side. As long as we have enough space guys, it's easy for it to come out. Alright. Alright guys, so down there I moved down the ball. Then when you come to this side of the engine, our ball is just right down there. So what you do, you look for numbers 16 millimeter like this, then you put down there, and then from there you just turn it slowly. Well guys, you see the axles right here, you can pull them when they're out. You pull them through here. The same applies to the other side guys. You just pull them through here and then you can get them out, and then the same way you put it back in, and then you should be able to be good to go. Okay guys, I hope it helped you out.